Hey, my prepper posse. Plumbing's going in for the sink right now. The drain hole. Oh, this song is for Hillary Clinton, I guess. Alright, there's little clampers for it. Pull that up, secure it to the wall. Now all the plumbing's done down there until we get to right there, bringing that pipe right here up. Pipe's already cut, just gotta be put in. Biatch.
That is one horrible looking biatch, I just gotta tell you.
And this is our clamp job. We had to put a bunch of weight down on top because we glued the shower foam underneath. So we're still working today. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Sorry about the song that was playing, but my worker had it on. My Dave had it on. Anyway. We're getting her done. This shower is going to be excellent. So excellent. Today's Friday fun day. Hope everybody's having a great day. See y'all later. See ya.